Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating backups and environment so recovery is safe. First, verify you can restore from the latest full backup. If not, create one now. Next, inspect Windows event logs and the SQL error log to identify immediate faults. Make sure disk space and permissions are sufficient and stop non-essential services that might interfere. If you plan repairs that require exclusive access, switch the database to single user and stop application connections. This prevents concurrent changes while you proceed. Once initial checks are done, run dbcc checkdb to locate corruption and note the error types. You try restores from known good backups first because restoring preserves data integrity. If a clean backup is unavailable, consider running repair commands, but understand repair allow data loss risks. Use database snapshots or export critical schema and data to avoid permanent loss. If corruption affects indexes or allocation units, rebuild or drop/recreate indexes. If transaction logs are intact, apply SQL. After repairs, put the database back into multi-user mode and re-enable jobs and external integrations. You then run dbcc checkdb again and execute full backups to capture the repaired state. Monitor key performance counters, wait through peak cycles, and verify application behavior to confirm the issue is resolved. Finally, document every step you took, update recovery runbooks, and schedule an extended monitoring window. If new errors appear, prioritize restoring the most recent verified backup and contact support with your logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.